How to fix iPhone screen not sleeping or not turning off. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix iPhone screen not turning off. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So first things first, head over to your settings. So the reason why your iPhone screen is not turning off or not sleeping can be because if you are on higher or newer end of iPhone, your display is turned on. That is your always on display is turned on. So head over to display and brightness on your iPhone, and then there you should find an option right around here that says always on display. Make sure that you just turn that off, and after you do that, the next thing that might be keeping your screen awake or your iPhone not turning off is an option called auto lock. Head over to auto lock, and after you're on auto lock, simply choose a time. Make sure that it is not on never. If it's on never, if you leave your iPhone ideally for a while, it will not turn off. So just choose whichever is suitable for you, 30 seconds, a minute or two, up until 5. So just choose any time limit, and your iPhone will just turn off if your iPhone is ideal for that much amount of time. And with that, your problem is now fixed. And with that, your problem is now fixed, and that is how you fix your iPhone screen not turning off. Thanks for watching guys. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.